Dishes free. Are you in or are you out? Or are you sitting there saying, what on earth is dishes free? I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, I get hundreds of emails from you guys a week. Emails right into the show. I get texts, I get instant messages, I get Facebook notes. Guys saying, how do I get organized in my house? I'm so overwhelmed, I have no idea where to start. So right now we're going to go on a 30-day program, and a 30-day program is going to help us reframe the way that we look at the space we live in, okay? The first part is called Dishes Free, and I'm super excited that you're on this journey with me. All right, so Dishes Free is creating an awareness of the dishes inside your home. I want you to be very clear about what this is. If you ever go to a program like Alcohol Anonymous or Eaters Anonymous or Debtors Anonymous, what you do at the very first is you admit that you have a problem. So you say, hi, I'm Angela, I eat too much food, right? Or you say, hi, I'm Angela, I'm an alcoholic. And so you admit it, and by admitting it, what you're doing is you're taking responsibility for whatever that is that you're trying to fix in your life. Now, what's interesting about the process of the Anonymous program is it doesn't matter what you're working on, but when you are overcoming that, you say, I'm clean. Like if it's alcohol and you don't drink for a while, then you say, I'm 30 days clean. Or if it's drugs, you say, I'm 30 days clean. Or when it's the eating, I'm 30 days clean. When it's the Anonymous for the debtors, for example, and you're getting out of debt and you're fixing your finances, you say, I'm 30 days clean. So what that means is you're cleaning up your finances, or you're cleaning up your eating style, or you're cleaning up your physical health, or whatever it is, you're cleaning up that area of your life, right? So it's an interesting concept that they say I'm so many days clean. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to be 30 days dishes clean. Now, what does that mean? All right, so what that means is you're going to go into a room of your house. Let's say that it's your living room, and you may have eaten some dinner there last night while you were watching TV. Now, it's easy to do because lots of people are in front of their TVs now during this pandemic, where they are just binge watching television, but a lot of their meals are also happening in front of the TV. When the TV is over for the night and everyone is going to bed, before you go to bed, you got to pick up all the dishes that you ate dinner with, and you got to take them back to the kitchen. So if there are no dishes inside your living room, you are one day dishes free, okay? Now, the next room, let's go into the bathroom. Let's say that, for example, you had some ice cream and it's in a bowl. You don't want ants to get to it. So you take it in the bathroom and you fill it up with water. Those dishes don't go in the bathroom, right? They go back in the kitchen sink. So we're not going to put them in the bathroom. We're going to take them all the way downstairs to the kitchen. So every single time you're done eating anything, eating or drinking, we're going to take those dishes back to the kitchen. Now, once they're inside the kitchen, we're going to process them. And what that means is we're going to rinse them out, or we're going to put them inside the dishwasher, so that we're going to constantly be doing dishes through the course of the day, because we're going to be removing them from every avenue of the house. So no dishes in the entry of the home, no dishes in the living room, no dishes in the dining room, no dishes in the bedrooms, no dishes in the bathrooms. We're going to be removing all the dishes. Now you say, what are dishes? Well, we all know what dishes are, right? We're talking about reusable dishes, plastic dishes or glass dishes. We're talking about mugs. We're talking about coffee cups. We're talking about big gulps cups. We're talking about anything that goes inside your mouth. If you put something inside your mouth and it came in a container, that is a dish. And you say, wait a second, Angela, you're trying to trick me. I ordered pizza. The pizza arrived in a box. We grabbed paper towels. We ate our pizza on the paper towels. Is the paper towel a dish? And the answer is, did it have food on it that went inside your mouth? And the answer is, yes, it did. Therefore, the paper towel became your disposable dish. What? That's crazy. It's crazy, but follow me on this. I want us to start thinking in terms of my dishes go in the kitchen, okay? We're not talking about clothes and shoes and books and papers and all the other stuff in your house. We're talking about one item. It is the dishes. How many days dishes free can you go? That's every room in your entire house with all the dishes removed, taken back to the kitchen. How many days dishes free are you? So I'm going to leave this particular video on YouTube. I want you to come back every day. I want you to add a number to your name. So it's dishes free, and then you're going to be dishes free for one day. Tomorrow it will be dishes free for 2 days. The next day it will be dishes free for 3 days. Dishes free for 4 days. And I want you to do this, and I want you to keep track of all the different folks that are on here that are doing the dishes free challenge. Because what happens to all the different anonymous programs where you go through, it becomes an awareness. As you go every single day with that particular focus, you become clean that day. And then what happens is it starts to change the decisions that you make. Instead of leaving something there and you'll be so tired, I'll just leave it there till morning, and you go, no, I am 42 days dishes free. I'm not going to bust this up. And then you take the dishes back to the kitchen sink, and now you're 43 days dishes free, right? You can do this. But what's going to happen is in your mind, you will start realizing that all the dishes go back in the kitchen at the end of every meal. I know this doesn't seem like a huge thing, and it's not. It's super easy to do. And everybody in the family can play. Everybody can do it. But what happens is this. You will start retraining yourself to remove the dishes from your home. And you say, wait a second, Angela, I ate potato chips out of a bag. Is the bag a dish? The bag is a disposable dish. You took food out of it, it went into your mouth. That is your disposable dish. Well, what if there's still potato chips inside? So you don't have to throw it away. What you can do is you can fold it over, put a clip on it, take it back to the kitchen. Food does not belong in any other room of the house except the kitchen, okay? So when you take it back to the kitchen, that's the hub where all the dishes go. So whether they're disposable dishes, whether they are reusable dishes, they go back to the kitchen at the end of their use, okay? So, challenge! How many days are you dishes free? And we're starting today. So jump in and join us, dishes free. All right, I hope this helps. If it does, please pass this on to a friend. If we've earned your subscription, please subscribe. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.